Headlights, high beams, passenger blinker, driver blinker. So rev that up a little bit. Wipers. Let's hear the horn. Glass is fantastic on it. Restorations by Julius, high end. All original pans in the car, complete numbers matching. Out of the Tim Wellborn Museum. Give me the brake lights, blinkers, other side, reverse lights. There we go. Tim, roll your window up so you can get the glass on that. All the chrome trim, unbelievable on the car. Radio works, all the gauges work. Key buzzer works, all the dome lights, interior lights. Tim, turn the radio on. Radio works.
Jumping into the medication delivery business.
Glove box light works. Under the dash light works.
It started in Seattle and Dallas.
Dome light works. All the gauges work. All seat belts. Ram air. Just an absolute gorgeous car.